Hey everyone, welcome back to Pinned on Places. Today we're in our hometown of Portsmouth, down south in the UK, and exploring something completely different. We visited a 2-week immersive installation by the admired My Dog Size, a British street artist and local Portsmouth resident, with work you may be familiar with that include the Everyman murals, his tin can people, or his beautiful eye portraits with hidden meanings in the pupils. These are also commissioned around the city of Portsmouth, as well as overseas in the US, in Rome and Australia. After leaving hints across the city, which he left snippets of clues with clever but cryptic adverts in the local newspaper about a secret project, or even the paste-ups dotted around in a language that was created just for the show, this was such a clever way to advertise and leave everyone curious about what My Dog Size was going to create. The event of Inside was his most ambitious project to date. He transformed a derelict and damaged building that was once known as the old casino in Southsea, but more importantly, the building was actually home to Kimbell's, a 1950s ballroom, which featured a champagne and cocktail bar and was an intimate band venue for bands like Led Zeppelin, Rod Stewart and the Yardbirds. It even had a small stint in the 1970s as a Playboy club. It's wonderful to see how My Dog Size has kept homage to the ballroom's era, with little things that are kept in place like the old lift, the wallpaper in the stairway, and the disco ball in the ballroom. It's so beautiful to see. He created an interpreter's dream and fashioned it into an immersive world that had living inhabitants by its very own creatures and sculptures named his quiet little voices. He uses the creatures to represent the different aspects of the human life, with things like love, anger, depression, fear and hope, and you can see this all by their expressions as we are stepping into their world, which is now frozen in time as we explore their home. And you can discover how they live and exist. Often with these creatures, they look lost, but they're waiting to be found. I think what makes his work so relatable is how the creatures are portrayed. Similar to us humans, their lives are far from perfect. They too have open struggles and face difficult times, but likewise they rise, they form a sense of hope, and this is especially relevant in these current times. He extends his work to a place where we almost forget the beauty of these abandoned and derelict spaces, and it demonstrates the beauty of this and exhibits the power of creativity to inspire and uplift communities. The journey you're able to take with you as you wander through this exhibition is impressive. There are tons of different discoveries to be had. As we walk through, you will see some of the things that we have missed, but that is completely the point of this experience, is that it will always be a talking point, and it will leave you wanting to go back for more. We're going to leave you here and let you continue to explore the installation. And we really hope that you've enjoyed today's content. We'll see you next week on another video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps us immensely. Till next time.